Izabelle's kitchen. Today's a bit of a drowsy day, so today we're going to be making a comfort food, our version of Cullen Skink. So you need approximately 700 grams of potatoes, 3 onions, 3 cloves of garlic, that one's already chopped up, and 3 fillets of smoked haddock, and 1.5 litres of milk. Now I've cut all my onions and potatoes, exactly the same size. I've saved 1 onion and 1 potato to show you how to cut them. At the moment I've cut this in half. Now I'm going to cut these into 4. And cut them into squares. And for the tips for the onion, never cut the root off because it holds it. Then we cut this in here to hold it all in place. And always cut around the root so there's only a little bit of onion wasted. See, the only root wasted. Now I'm going to tip my onions into this pot with the garlic to sweat off on the stove for a low heat to sweat. We don't want to fry them, and we're not putting the potatoes in yet because we're making the onions sweat on a low heat with the pan on. And don't forget to put the oil in. A big plug of oil. Low temperature, which one? Now we're going to get this non-stick pan, put this haddock in, put it on the stove for a low heat, and put the 1.5 litres of milk in, and then we're going to poach this haddock. Now our onions have sweated nicely. We're going to add our potato in with about 50 grams of butter, and then continuously stir it for about 15 minutes to soften. Now I am going to take the haddock out of the milk and pour the milk into the softened potatoes. Now I am lightly breaking this haddock up, and then when it's done, at the last minute I'll pop it back in with the potatoes, onion and milk. So to test if your potato is ready, you should be able to put a fork through it. If you can't put a fork through it, leave it for a couple more minutes. Now we're going to add the haddock in. And now we're going to pop that back on the heat for 2 minutes for the haddock to heat up, and then it's ready to serve. now it's ready to serve. Now we'll serve to bowl. And serve with milk loaf that we've done in our other videos if you need to. Fine. There you have it, a nice Cullen Skink, a comfort food for a rainy day, full of omega-3. See you next time in my next video.